What is up, guys? Well, it is Houston Raceway Park, or Royal Purple time, as you can tell from the bridge. Heading out there to watch a private track rental. That twin turbo Mustang, the 18 that I went for a ride the other day, is going to be out here. So we're going to go see what track times he runs and maybe some other cool stuff that's out there. So I'm just brought the camera with me and we're going to throw a little video together. Oh, we're out here now. Not too many people out here. DA's like negative 900 or so right now, so it's a really good time to run. We're gonna head up to the start and see if we get some cool videos. Pretty fast cars out here today. LPF's over here. They brought out some of their cars, so we're gonna go catch up with them and see what they ran here. We got another LPF car here. Gonna go make a path. I think it's a little faster than the orange car I raced, or that I rode in the other day. Let out 9.1 at 138. Wow. Sucker's rolling there. Pretty good there. The LPF car here. Rolling through the line. Pedaling it a little bit. See what it ran on the top side. 165, yeah, it was rolling. This car it'll definitely pull the wheels here. Let's see, 9.3. I hit the brake. I was just doing an 8 mile pass, so that car was fast. There's an LPF car, built trans-built motor, a little bit bigger turbos. The orange car. See what it runs here. About the same time as last time. 154 there. It's close. 9:019 at 156. It's rolling on the big end. He needs to get it out of the hole a little harder, and I think it'll go in the 8's today. .34, 147. Heck yeah. Got to see a bunch of the LPF cars make a bunch of passes, a bunch of other high horsepower stuff out there. It was really cold out there and windy. DA was definitely like negative 1,000 around that area, so it was a good time. But it was kind of a quick little video to kind of show what private track rental's about and what all these LPF cars are about, because they're pretty bad. Anyway, if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that as well. And hopefully I'll have some more content coming up shortly. And you guys have a good one.